Guys, this is me Safyan from SG Freaks. This video is going to be very interesting because in this video I will explain how you can start vlogging with your phone in just 800 rupees with some external accessories. I will also share some tips about vlogging, about how you can achieve maximum output. So like this video and subscribe the channel if you haven't so that we can get started. I have been listening a lot about people complaining regarding not having professional gear to start vlogging. In this video I will show you that you can start vlogging without having expensive DSLRs and microphones. The main thing is to get started today and start experimenting. If you start getting good response, you can buy them anytime in future, but to invest much in start is not a good idea. For good vlogging you need to have good audio, good view angle and less shaky video. So our vlogging kit will be mainly containing all the accessories required to achieve these three elements. I have again ordered from Draz. You can order from wherever you want. So guys, let's start unboxing. The first thing of our best budget mobile vlogging kit is microphone. So let's unbox and look into details. After opening you will get some documents regarding order summary, about vendor and also about refund policy. So let's keep them aside and focus on main product. Here is the first product of our mobile vlogging kit. It is lapel lavalier 3.5mm microphone compatible with DSLRs and other equipments. On the first side there are details about product. First is the name lapel lavalier microphone for DSLR and other equipment. Below this there are some properties like black color, 1.5 meters long wire and also some other details. Since it is a middle range product so it has been packed in plastic sheet. Let's remove these covers and see the main product. This microphone can't be directly used with mobile phone and you would require audio splitter or TRS to TRRS cable. Since this video focus is mainly on best budget vlogging kit, so I will make another video soon which will be detailed review of this microphone, includes connectivity with mobile and its audio test, so stay tuned guys. It has nice foam cover on the microphone to reduce noises and have 3.5mm TRS port at the other end. Let's untie this and see the wire quality. On the label it was written it has 1.5 meters long wire. Wire length is okayish, good for conducting and recording closer to camera interviews and obviously vlogs. It has a nice clip to tie it while recording. As I have mentioned earlier, you can't use it directly with the mobile phone as it has TRS port. So I will be making videos soon regarding how DSLR microphones can be used with mobile phones, which will help you to use any TRS port microphone with mobile. Moving ahead, let's go to next accessories required for best budget mobile vlogging kit. These includes extra mobile camera lenses and mini mobile tripod. So let's open this order and look into product details. I have again ordered this from Draz.pk, which is local e-commerce website in Pakistan. After opening this order, the first thing which we get is external mobile camera lenses. They have been nicely packed in a box. These are named as universal clip lenses. I assume it can be used with all devices. On the left side of the box there are compatibility details that they are for iPhone and other Android devices. On the front side of the box under product name there are lenses, photos which it contains like fisheye lens, 0.67x wide angle lens and a macro lens. Again on the other side there are details regarding what's inside. On the back side of the box there are some sample shots with these lenses and some long details which I am not going to read right now. So let's open this and see what's in the box. Nice, it has been nicely packed and lenses looks good. Can't wait to capture videos using them. Okay, so after removing the hard plastic cover you will see there are compartments where the lenses have been placed. First lens is macro plus wide angle with the lens cap on it, and the second lens cap has been placed in the compartment and the lens is already attached with the lens clip holder. It is fisheye lens 180 degrees. Also with these lenses there is a soft lens pouch which is a bonus to place these lenses safely and to avoid getting scratches. Since they are average quality lenses so you have to be extra careful to prevent them from scratches. To change the lens you can unattach your lens from clip by rotating it in anti-clockwise direction. Talking about lens quality, I must say it is good in this price. Glass looks fine, build quality looks fine. It does not have any UV coating on glass which comes with expensive lenses, but overall it is very good. Okay guys, without wasting any time, let's move forward towards another main product of our mobile vlogging kit, which is mobile tripod stand. First thing you get is mobile holder and the second thing is mobile mini tripod stand. But don't underestimate it, it is very useful in mobile vlogging. Tripod quality is very good. It can be used for both portrait and landscape mode, which is awesome. Tripod legs have a nice blue color rubber foam which provides extra grip, and also it can be bent to adjust the view as per requirement. Tripod has a horizontal knob to fix the mobile position as well. It also comes with universal mobile holder which has tripod adjustment screw at bottom. Top side is adjustable for multiple size devices, so this is a great option. Okay, let's attach the holder with the tripod stand. I'm really impressed with this gadget. Finally, our best budget mobile vlogging kit is taking shape, which is really nice. I have placed my phone with the tripod. I am using iPhone 5 for testing purposes and it has been nicely adjusted with the holder, which is really awesome. While vlogging you will mostly hold your phone in this position and it really helps to stabilize your shots. You can fix the adjustment with horizontal knob, which is really a good option. So our best budget vlogging setup is completed. We now have this nice lavalier 3.5mm microphone for recording. Also we have this great mini tripod stand for mobile stability. And last but not the least, external camera lenses to increase wide angle. I can't wait to set up our best budget mobile vlogging kit now. Let's see how it looks. I have set up our mobile vlogging kit and believe me, it is looking amazing. I have tied the microphone wire and clip it on holder top. Best way to utilize the space. I have placed wide angle lens on the back camera. So our best budget vlogging kit is ready. Before ending this video, I want to share some tips which I think would be really useful for you. Always vlog with your back camera because it provides good quality video. Front camera really compromises the quality. Always take test shot first to check out the sound quality and then start recording. You obviously don't want to waste your complete effort, and also if you find some wind noises, you can clip on the microphone closer to you where it is not visible in the video but still minimize the noise. Lastly, talking about prices, microphone cost me 250 rupees or 2.5 US dollars. Lenses and tripod cost me 500 rupees or 5 US dollars. So overall this mobile vlogging kit is in budget and costs less than 800 rupees, which is cheapest kit so far I have seen on YouTube. So this is all from my side. Please like this video and share it with your friends who want to start vlogging in low budget. Also subscribe the channel to see more amazing content like this. Thank you for watching.